Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Gather ingredients precisely. Use 8 slices of bacon, 3 large eggs, 2 cups whole milk, 1/4 cup grated cheddar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 4 cups cubed day-old bread. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and grease an 8x8-inch baking dish with 1 tablespoon butter so the custard won't stick. Crisp the 8 slices of bacon in a skillet over medium heat until brown and slightly crisp. Reserve 2 tablespoons of bacon fat for flavor, then crumble in a mixing bowl. Whisk 3 large eggs with 2 cups whole milk, 1/4 cup sugar if you want a slightly sweet contrast, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper until smooth and homogeneous. Stir in 1/4 cup grated cheddar for savory depth, and add the 2 tablespoons reserved bacon fat for a smoky richness that distributes the bacon flavor. Fold 4 cups cubed bread and the crumbled bacon into the custard, pressing gently so the bread absorbs the liquid, and let the mixture sit for 10 minutes to fully hydrate. Pour the soaked bread and custard mixture into the greased 8x8-inch baking dish, pressing down lightly to compact the layers so the pudding bakes evenly. Bake at 350 degrees F for 35 to 40 minutes until the top is golden brown and a knife inserted in the center comes out mostly clean with a few moist crumbs. Let the bacon pudding rest for 10 minutes to finish setting, then cut into squares and serve warm, garnishing with 1 tablespoon chopped chives per serving or a drizzle of hot sauce if you prefer a spicier finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.